Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. Today we are going to demonstrate the features of a contemporary welding mask and what you can do with it. Stay tuned for it. Well, as you can see, it's quite a sophisticated tool. There is the button delay that you can adjust. So for the time that it stays dark before it gets normal again, then you have the sensitivity, low or high, and you have the shade, the degrees of shade. But standard, it is set for stick welding, and I'm going to leave it at that. So I'm going to do some tests, and everyone can adjust it for its own purpose. If it is not suitable for that person, you can adjust it. You see the test button there? I'm going to try to show you what it does. A moment. See? It darkens immediately, and that's what it does. It auto darkens when you are welding. So now we are going to try to do some welding tests. So guys, when you are welding, always wear good protection, even in the clothing, old shoes, but your hands with leather. And then when you are welding with that old screen here, you only have one hand free to weld with a stick, and that can be very tedious. So with the mask you have two hands free, and one hand can help the other. I will show you. I have to admit, this is my first time welding with the helmet, and I don't want to miss it anymore. Even the welds are better now. This is again a wrap for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you didn't already. Find us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And stay tuned for all the next videos to come. Bye.